did my chores and made my bed 'cause I'm supposed to. Cleaned my room, obeyed my dad 'cause I'm supposed to. I raised my hand and waited my turn 'cause I'm supposed to. Everything they taught I learned 'cause I'm supposed to. I finished school at the age of 18 'cause I'm supposed to. I kept on, got a college degree 'cause I'm supposed to. Got a job working 9 to 5 'cause I'm supposed to. Bought a ring, got me a wife 'cause I'm supposed to. Now what the hell's all of this supposed to ever done for me? Well, I didn't sleep a wink last night. Work's drying up and money's tight, though I followed this old script line by line. This whole thing was a lousy bet. There's holes all in my safety net, and it's a goddamn lie when I say I'm doing fine. Didn't think this was what I was supposed to get by doing everything that I was supposed to. I don't stay out late and I hardly drink 'cause I'm supposed to. No more cool filter kings 'cause I'm supposed to. I put my money in the IRA 'cause I'm supposed to. I pledge allegiance to the USA 'cause I'm supposed to. I keep up with the local team 'cause I'm supposed to. I fed my childhood dreams 'cause I'm supposed to. I never read before saying grace 'cause I'm supposed to. Go to church every 7 days 'cause I'm supposed to. Now what the hell's all of this supposed to ever done for me? Well, I didn't sleep a wink last night. Work's drying up and money's tight, though I followed this old script line by line. This whole thing was a lousy bet. There's holes all in my safety net, and it's a goddamn lie when I say I'm doing fine. Didn't think this was what I was supposed to get by doing everything that I was supposed to. Well, I button up and say clean cut, try to eat good and watch my gut, clean behind my ears and between my toes, and always keep up with the goddamn Jones. This whole thing was a lousy bet. There's holes all in my safety net, and it's a goddamn lie when I say I'm doing fine. Didn't think this was what I was supposed to get by doing everything I was supposed to.
Got engaged, time passed, wedding day. Then my feet turned cold at the tone of those wedding bells. I felt bad, everybody got dressed up, but I knew I'd messed up, so I had to fess up that all I really wanted was just to get drunk as hell. So I jilted that poor woman and I got drunk as hell. I'm talking about hellfire, hellfire, yeah, hellfire, hellfire. Oh hellfire, that's where I'm bound. I'm talking about hellfire, hellfire, yeah, hellfire, hellfire. Oh hellfire, that's where I'm bound. Real sinful, needing grace. Sunday morning, knew the place. So I stumbled into church and sat down for a spell. A few minutes in, I felt free of sin, so I polished off my bottle of bathtub gin and got stinking, dirty, awful, drunk as hell. Yeah, right there in the back pew, I got drunk as hell. I'm talking about hellfire, oh hellfire, yeah hellfire, that's where I'm bound. I'm talking about hellfire, yeah hellfire, oh hellfire, that's where I'm bound. All right. Well, my drinking buddy passed away, lightweight, couldn't hang. So I filled my flask and went to say farewell. I stood in the back, dressed in black, tearing up and turning up and getting lit up. Good God, awful, greasy and drunk as hell. I cried, I'm coming for you, buddy. That's where I'm bound. I'm a-talking about hellfire, oh hellfire, yeah hellfire, that's where I'm bound. I'm a-talking about hellfire, oh hellfire, yeah hellfire, that's where I'm bound.
Entra na roda, o maracadão me chamou pra bater palma e pra tocar tambor. Entra na roda, o maracadão me chamou pra bater palma e pra tocar tambor. Entra na roda, o maracadão me chamou pra bater palma e pra tocar tambor. Entra na roda, o maracadão me chamou pra bater palma e pra tocar tambor. Gira, gira, girou, gira, gira, girou, no atabaque, no agogo. Gira, gira, girou, gira, gira, girou, no atabaque, no agogo. Entra na roda, o maracadão me chamou pra bater palma e pra tocar tambor. Entra na roda, o maracadão me chamou pra bater palma e pra tocar tambor. Gira, gira, girou, gira, gira, girou, no atabaque, no agogo. Gira, gira, girou, gira, gira, girou, no atabaque, no agogo. Entra na roda, o maracadão me chamou. Entra na roda, o maracadão me chamou. Entra na roda, o maracá chamou.
Gonna go to Washington's place I never have gone before. There's a sweet woman there that won't hurt me anymore. And every single sunrise and every ounce of rain is gonna make me smile and think a while, not worry about a name. Cause for every sparrow falling, another one gets its wings. Gonna teach my baby bird how to sing and say, ooh, angels from above, deliver me from this wicked world. Cause Lord, well, I fell in love. Now it's so easy to me to treat you like the only one that I need. So if you go running off looking for someone new, ain't no one else in the whole wide world gonna treat you like I do. So let's pack my suitcase with all your little things. Me and my baby bird are gonna sing and say, ooh, angels from above, deliver me from this wicked world. Cause Lord, well, I fell in love. Winter's gone, summertime looks us in the eye. Blackbirds are scattering on through the northern sky. I'll ask you for forgiveness if you take all my sins. Wash me in your loving arms, make me clean again. Cause for every sparrow falling, another gets up from blue. Me and my baby bird gonna do what we do. Ooh, angels from above, deliver me from this wicked world. Cause Lord, well, I fell in love. Gonna count my lucky stars, trace them back to you. Don't worry about nothing, babe, we'll know what to do.